Hello guys, welcome to the ChandraAwesome channel about Onshape quick shorts. In this video, I will show you about how to do the render operations for fast videos. It is not a perfect rendering, but you can do operations. Then here you can see the ARbase. It is actually an app, Onshape App Store. You can find it. Click on App Store, and here you can search for rendering. In rendering, you can see the key short and ARbase updated. Click on it and subscribe to it. It is free for now. Free till 30 days, and you can also buy the plans. Okay, that is how this works. So after we subscribe, you can app will be clear. Click on ARbase, and it will show this and it will convert assembly. It will work both in assembly as well as the fast video also. You can do it in either way. Okay, so I'm going to make it to render, but just for a visibility, for a complete render. Okay, so it's converting now. Yeah, so finally we get the render shape here. Now you can also turn directions. You can change the axis based on this as you want. Okay, so let me select the part, and actually we can't change the faces. This is a single part. Here we can't change the faces. Only we can give few colors to the parts. So either you can change which color we want. You can increase brightness, increase like this. Just change color if you want. Starting from ARbase. Okay, you can give what color you want, and you can select transparent as well as you can give the selectives. So when you click on save, the changes will affect to the body, or else you can give the changes to right here also. So that is the change, guys. You can click on save after that, and even you can see this AR view in the another view, or else you can also observe this view in our mobiles also. Just click on share option, and you can see the QR code. Just on the mobile, and you can see the Google scan option. Click on it, search on camera, and just click on this QR code, scan it, and it will show the option. And click on the link, then it will automatically redirect to the page. So we can also view in the mobile also the views. Here you can see I can able to change the views right here. Okay, this is how it works. This is for Android users, but for the iPhone users, you can also get the augmented reality. You can also get the augmented reality just like a visual shows that like I'm showing in this video. Okay, here you can see. Let me select for that. That's what I want for today's video. I hope you might like it, and thanks for watching.